Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video I will show you how to remove this watermark active windows. One way is to activate your window to remove this watermark, but in this video I will show you how to remove it without activating your window. Go to your search bar and search for registry editor and click on run as administrator. This window will pop up asking you to allow. Click on yes. Then this window will be open and at the left you can see some folders. Go to H key local machine, expand it, and then go to system. Then go to CurrentControlSet, the third option, CurrentControlSet, and then go to services in that. Then you have to scroll down till you find SVS, this one, svsvc. I will give this part in the description so you can copy it from there and then you can paste it here and press enter. In case you can't find this file svsvc, then in that you will see start. Right click and click on modify, and then you can see the value data is 3, so you can remove it and make it 4 and click OK. So after this your active window will not be removed right now. You have to restart your computer and after that it will be removed. So I restart my computer and then I will show you what happened. So our computer has restarted and as you can see our watermark of active window is gone. If this tutorial helped you solve this error, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.